$98. Woo, woo, woo. I got $98 from dining out in New York. This is amazing. Sarah, and if you are on a budget or if you just like to save money, then this video is for you. I have discovered a way that you can dine at some of the top restaurants in the city and get money back. The secret is an app called Seated. So today I'm going to bring you through 3 amazing restaurants that I booked through Seated and got $100 back. When I first heard about this app, I was very skeptical, I'm going to be honest with you, because it claims that if you book through it, you dine, and then you get a % money back right away. So I had to try it for myself before making this video because I don't want to talk about anything that really doesn't work. And it really does work. Seated helps support local businesses or bars by filling their seats and has over 600 of NYC's top restaurants and bars available to book. Essentially, you make a reservation through the app, take a photo of the receipt when you're done, and then get anywhere from 20 to 50% back in rewards at your favorite stores like Amazon, Starbucks, Uber, and many more. By the way, if you download Seated using my link below, you're going to get $10 back automatically on top of all of the other rewards. So make sure that if you do download the app, use my link, because who doesn't want $10? I mean, come on. The first step is booking my reservation, and there's so many different restaurants to choose from. That's what I love about this. It's categorized really nicely. And I'm going to do Aggron. Aggron is a Michelin star rated restaurant on Seated. So I'm going to do it for tomorrow. Let's do 6 p.m. and I'll put that. And the cool thing is it shows you how much you're going to get back. So I'm going to confirm the reservation and I will see you at Aggron. It's dining at Aggron, which is located here in Grand Central. If you come over this way. Whoa, there it is. Yeah, surprising location, but this place is awesome. It's very upscale, and they serve Danish cuisine from the Nordic region, so it's all from Denmark. Everything here is farmed and foraged from New York State, but they use their Nordic heritage to make amazing dishes. And I've been here before, actually. When I used to work for Disney, I did a client lunch here, and it's awesome. So this is a great opportunity both for a client lunch or for a date night. Let's go check it out right now. The thing I love about this spot is they have the best Nordic food in the city. I got a monkfish here, and this has kale and bone marrow. And then I also got this lovely mushroom dish, which has brioche, whey, and dill. They do a tasting menu, and their tasting menu has 7 courses, and they also offer a wine pairing to go with it, which is what I did when I did a client lunch once, and wow, just prepare yourself for that. But really tasty. Everything's really, really yummy. Okay, let's try this monkfish, because I've never had monkfish. The sauce is really nice and creamy, really buttery. I'm gonna enjoy this for now. I just got dessert, and this is stunningly beautiful. We have a chocolate mousse covered in a chocolate coating, and they have 24 karat gold flakes on top of it. I mean, that is just, I feel like I'm in Dubai with this, because in Dubai, if you saw my Dubai video, everything was covered in gold. It's like crazy over there. And then we have a blackberry sorbet. So pretty. Let's dive in. It's like so messy. Ah, look at that. Gold flakes. Yum. Gold. Just love it. I love that. I could eat an entire pint of this blackberry sorbet. This is so tasty and so beautiful. Aggron, you just never let me down. You never do. Good job. I just got the bill right here, and now I'm going to use Seated to get money directly from this bill. It was $145 for this meal, because of course this is an upscale dining experience, which is like totally ideal for dates or the client lunches. Because like imagine those dates that you want to impress the person, or those client lunches, and you don't even have to tell them you're using Seated because it's all through the app. It's completely seamless. So you just take the receipt after you pay, and then you take a picture to verify your spend. I have Seated up. It says I get a 26% reward with this. So I'm going to click on verify spend, and then it says upload a photo of your itemized receipt. Okay, let's do open camera. So you don't have to do this in the restaurant. I'm just showing you. Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture of this. Okay, cool. So receipt uploaded. All good, all good. Next. Aggron was awesome. It's just asking you to like review it, which was great. Okay, so now what happens is they are reviewing to make sure this receipt is legitimate. All right, I just got a notification from Seated, and they said my receipt was approved, which is amazing. I ended up getting, let's see here, beautiful, $38. I got $30 back. Amazing. So now I can visit the Seated store where I can either use the $38 to get everyday purchases or to do an experience. And there's so many things on here. The Bohemian Hall and Beer Garden is a Czech-style beer garden, and it is one of the largest outdoor drinking venues in the city. It's also the oldest beer garden in the city. In the late 1800s, many Czechs and Slovaks immigrated here from Austria-Hungary. And in 1892, the Bohemian Citizen Benevolent Society was formed, named after the medieval kingdom of Bohemia. On this ground, that group began to form the beer garden in 1910, and it has been here ever since, paying homage to its Czech heritage. This is an awesome spot to come with friends on a weekend, or if you can during a weekday. It's also super family friendly, so whenever I come here, it's like normally for drinks or late night or happy hour. It's super fabulous, but there's a few things that you need to try while you're here. Check out some of the Czech favorites. After all, this is a Czech beer hall, so you should get Czech food and then Czech beer. Louis, the beer expert here. I don't really know that much about beer. We did live in the Czech Republic for a month though, so what do you recommend people get if they're at a Czech beer hall?
I think one of the most traditional ones that you can get is Pilsner Urquell. It's really nice and light. It's a very traditional beer to get.
All right, and then for food, make sure you get their goulash. You can also get their fried Munster Schmazak. Don't miss it because they're super traditional and delicious.
Yep.
And how do you say it?
Na zdraví.
Na zdraví. The fried Munster Schmazak just arrived, and I'm in love. Look at this. Oh my God, it's so good. If you order one thing, please order this, please. Just for your soul. It's so good. Oh my God. The great part about using Seated at like a bar environment like this is that you can expense the whole tab, which is ideal if you're with a large group of friends. Like literally just put your card down, cover the bill, and then have them Venmo you. And I know this is like so evil, but like you can take the bill and expense it on Seated. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I made the reservation on Seated already. You have to do that before you get here. And then after the fact, you're going to have the receipt. So this receipt is $98. I'm going to take a picture of it. Yeah, look at that. Look at that picture, so nice. So now I'm submitting my receipt. And in a couple of moments, I'm going to get a message from Seated about how much percent I got back. I just got my rewards back. Let's take a look at what I got here. Okay, so the receipt, the meal or the drinks with my friends are like $96 or something, but I got $25 back from that. And then because I used Seated multiple times this month, they gave me $20 in extra rewards. So in total now I have $87. Seriously, like I don't want to dine or like go out for drinks anywhere else without using this app. Located a short walk from the Brooklyn Museum, you'll find Cheryl's Global Soul, which is known for their brunch. This is an awesome brunch spot, and while you're in the city, of course you have to do brunch. That's one of the best things to do. New Yorkers love brunch. This spot is run by celebrity chef Cheryl Smith, who started her own Food Network show called The Melting Pot. And all of the food here is soul food inspired by different places all over the world, from Africa to Asia to the United States. They have some awesome stuff here. Cheryl's love of cooking and her entertaining comes from her mother's kitchen and from her desire to recreate the wonderful dishes prepared there. Cheryl started cooking for first friends and family, and then she started her own small catering company, eventually creating this restaurant. Brunch has been served, so we got a few different dishes here. This is their Norwegian salmon platter. And then the second dish that we got is their caramelized apple and brie omelet. And this place is popular for their pancakes, so of course I had to order a side of pancakes just to try those out. And I added their fresh cream and their fruit. So let's dive in here. Oh yeah, all right. I'm gonna add some of the cream. Oh my goodness. And of course, a little bit of the fruit to get that full, perfect little pancake serving. That cream is so flavorful. You can tell they make it in-house. One of the nice things about their brunches is when you order a dish at their brunches, you get a Bloody Mary or a mimosa. I got a Bloody Mary. I love Bloody Marys. It's just really nice. Especially if you're having something sweet like the pancakes, you might want a Bloody Mary to like kind of balance that sweetness. All right, I'm just gonna dive in and eat all this. I'll see you at the end. I just got my receipt. Well, we left the restaurant, but I have my receipt. We spent $41 in total. Let's get those reward points. So I'm gonna go onto the app. Here we say, it says, upload my receipt. Okay, let's get that money. Boom, picture has been taken. Okay, so I'm gonna say that's good. And now, receipt uploaded. So momentarily, I will get my rewards. All right, I just got my rewards, so let's check on it. Receipt approved, $11. So I spent $41 and I got $11. If we go to the store now, $98. Woo, woo, woo. I got $98 from dining out in New York. This is amazing. Okay, so I have $98 to spend. So I'm just like scrolling through all these options. There's so many things. Amazon is definitely something that's useful because I can pretty much get anything I need on Amazon. But then they also have Hulu, Madewell, Macy's, Nike, Adidas, Amtrak, Starbucks. You know, I can't resist Starbucks. Their chai tea lattes. I'm sorry, I'm all about like local coffee shops, but I just love Starbucks. It's like a guilty pleasure. Sephora. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, because I do have the addiction to Starbucks, $25 on Starbucks. I'm gonna add one of that. Purchase. Boom. Okay, so now it says redeem Starbucks code, so I open this link, and then when I go to Starbucks, I just use the code. So all I need to do, it says print or scan this barcode on your phone to pay at participating Starbucks stores. So I'm just gonna screenshot this, and then every time I go to Starbucks, I can just have them scan this. Also, if you have a Starbucks app, then you can just add it there. Amazon, because that's very useful. I can get a $50 gift card to Amazon, so I'm gonna add that in. Boom, $50 gift card. If I go to my Amazon app, I can go to my account, manage gift card balance, redeem another gift card, paste the code here, apply to your balance, boom, $50. That's how you do it. Look at that. So let's go shopping. So anyway, you guys, I made $98. Going to 3 different restaurants. I just can never dine out again without using this. Like, I need to share this with you because I cannot believe it. Thanks for watching, watching. If you like this video, remember to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Sarah Funky. And if you're visiting NYC on a budget, or living in NYC on a budget, or just like to save money, then make sure to check out my NYC budget series, where I have tons of tips and tricks on saving even more money here in the city. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.